Hello, everyone. Once again, I thank you so much for coming by and checking out the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. For those of you who have recently subscribed, I'm Marva, and today's video is part two of gardening behind the scenes. If you have not yet checked out part one, go ahead and do so. See how we take care of the garden by pruning. Now, today, we're going to show you how we take care of the rest of the plant by protecting it from insects and pesticides and disease, just like we did with the diseased ackee tree. So today, we're going to be protecting the rest of the garden, and we'll be planting some greens, brassica to be specific. Let's go. In part one of gardening behind the scenes, you saw us pruning and spraying the diseased ackee tree. And here is what it looks like today. Most of the insects have disappeared and the tree is looking healthier. Now we are treating the rest of the garden in the same manner with neem oil. This is now a preventative measure. Everything is saturated with neem oil. See, you have to catch the insects before you see them. Even small plants like tomato and peppers are treated. Whiteflies love these plants. If you are growing an organic garden, you must inspect your plants frequently. Saturate plants with neem oil. Now it's time for planting. Today, we will be planting some brassicas. That's spinach and broccoli. They are being planted in the same raised bed where the bok choy was planted. This volunteer plant is callaloo. This is spinach. Watering after planting is very important. All the trees and plants are saturated with neem oil. This is the aftermath of trimming, cleaning up, and applying the necessary treatment for the plants in the garden. So that's it, folks. This is behind the scenes of the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. And thank you for watching. See you next time, right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden.